So good evening everyone. Good evening. Good evening everyone. Let me know audio video okay or not. Let me know audio video okay or not. Let me know audio video okay or not. Am I audible? Hi, Ian. Hi, good evening. Good evening everyone. Good evening. Fine, can we go ahead? Yeah, perfect. I think all the people came, so let's go ahead. Yeah, I'm giving today's problem. So let me write the date. So before that, all people will join. Before that, all people will join. So I think the date today maybe I think 24th, 6:25. So this is the place where we stopped yesterday. Yesterday we stopped here. This is the yesterday's class. We stopped there. Now it is the today's class. I think it started now. It started now. So let me give the problem. Let me give the problem. Yeah, I'm giving, just give me 1 minute. The place where I stopped. So let me give that problem. It's almost ready. Ready? Yeah. This is the problem. Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variable. Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variables. In a C program. In a C program. First, let me write the problem. In a C program, we wish to set P to NC3. If n is very large, which one of the following? Then which one of the following? Then which one of the following is most likely to set P correctly? Is most likely to set P correctly. So given problem, yeah, see the options. Option A, P is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 6. Option B, P is equal to n into n minus 1 into divided by 2 into n minus 2 divided by 3. Option C, P is equal to n into n minus 1 by 3 n minus 2 by 2. Option D, P is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into 6.0. Yeah, it's a given problem. Can you try this? It's going to be very interesting. This problem is going to be very interesting. Can you try this? It's a very, very interesting one. It's a very, very interesting one. Can you try this? I'm requesting everyone. I'm requesting everyone. Can everyone try this? Today's class, it is a starting problem. Today's class, it is a starting problem. Let's see how many people will give answer. Today's class, it is a starting problem. Let's see how many people will give answer. I am reading the problem. 24/6/25. Today's date I written and I written the problem. Right? So I am reading once. I'm reading once. I'm reading once. Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variables in a C program. We wish to set p to nc3. We wish to set p to nc3. If n is very large, then which one of the following is most likely to set p correctly? It's a very, very interesting problem. It is a very, very interesting problem. Let's see how many people will give. Everyone have to try. It's a very difficult problem. Let's see how you manage. Let's see how you manage. How you manage this problem? Let's see. Everyone have to try. In my opinion, today's class is just started now. Today's class is just started now. I written the date, I written the problem. I am not done anything. Just I written the date 24/6/25. I written the problem and options also given. Can you try your opinion? Everyone try. If you don't want to try, please leave the class. You don't want to try, then please leave the class. Don't stay here. Please avoid this class if you don't want to try. You want to try, stay here. You want to learn, stay here. You want to grow, stay here. You want to improve, stay here. Please give answer. Please give answer. If you don't give answer, how I know you are trying or not? It is MCQ, yes. It is a MCQ. If you don't want to try, then see, if you don't want to try, then how I know you are learning or not? Please, can you write your answer? Please, can you write your answer? Everyone, whoever is watching this class, please write your answer. Nitish said answer is B. Nitish said answer is B. So I am saying that answer is ABC. I am saying answer is ABC. Nitish is saying answer is B. All the people, Tarab, where are you? Rutvi, where are you? Tarab, where are you? Rutvi, where are you? Tarab, where are you? Rutvi, where are you? If you're there, what will be the answer? Shikhar, where are you? Shikhar, where are you? Hello, respond. Everyone respond. Yeah, let me give answer. I'm giving answer. I'm giving the answer. Yeah, everyone's here. I'm giving the answer. Yeah, I'm giving the answer. I'm giving the answer. Everyone see one time. I'm giving the answer. Everyone see. If you read the problem properly, if you read the problem properly, n and p are unsigned integer variable, okay. There is no signs, that is okay. In a C program, we wish to set p to nc3. So you want to do this. You want to keep p is equal to nc3. You want to keep p is equal to nc3, which is nothing but p is equal to nc3 means what? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6, 1 into 2 into 3. So which is equal to p is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. They want to keep p is equal to nc3. That is their goal. They want to keep p is equal to nc3. That is their goal. But first of all, what is the nc3? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1, 2, 3, which is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. This is the goal. So this is the thing what they want to, but what is exactly, you have to see the problem properly. It looked like all answers are correct. Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variable in a C program. We wish to set p to nc3. That is also okay. If n is very large, yeah, this is the story here. If n is very large, then which one of the following is most likely to set p correctly? If n is very large, remember, n is very large. That is the question here. If n is very large, you only say, if n is very large, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, it will become very large. There may be a chance of overflow. If n itself is very big, n into n minus 1 is very, very, very big. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2, it will become very big. You want to keep 2p nc3. nc3 means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. That is okay. But the interesting story here is, if n is very large, interesting thing is, if n is very large, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, it will become very large. It will become overflow. So I think it will become overflow. It will become overflow. I think this will also become overflow. This will also becomes overflow. So I think, in my opinion, it cannot be the answer. It cannot be the answer, because n itself is very big. N into n minus 1 is very big. There may be overflow. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2, it will become very big. So there is a chance of overflow. I think A cannot be the answer. D also cannot be the answer, because there is a chance of overflow, because one person itself is big. Similar kind of people, two more people you are multiplying. Definitely there may be a chance of overflow. So, but if you see the option B, option C, n into n minus 1 you are doing, n into n minus 1 you are doing, by 2 you are means you are dividing. After increasing little bit, you are decreasing half. After increasing little bit, you are decreasing half, right? I think because of you are decreasing in between, I think answer may be C, answer may be B. Because of you are decreasing little bit in between, answer may be B, answer may be C. But let's find out who is the exact answer. Let's find out in the B and C who is the exact answer. Let's find. Can you help me now? N into n minus 1 by 2 into n minus 2 by 3. N into n minus 1 by 3 into n, right? Into n minus 2 by 2. So divide by 3 first to afterwards 2. Divide by 2 first to afterwards 3. At the end of the day, you are dividing by 6 only. In B also, C also, you are dividing by 6 only. Everyone know. But answer is what? But if you remember, right? If you remember, take any n. N into n minus 1 is even number. Two consecutive numbers are even number. If you want, you take anything. Any two consecutive. See this one. Product of two people. Product of two people is always even number. Product of two people, it is always even number. If at n value 2, 2 into 1, 2. N value 3, 3 into 2, 6. N value, so multiplication of two elements, multiplication of two people, it's always even number. Right? Important thing is multiplication of two people, not any two, consecutive two. Not any two, consecutive two number. Suppose if you take the 7, 3, 7 into 3 is 21. They are not consecutive. Multiplication of two consecutive numbers is always even number. If you want, you can check. Multiplication of two consecutive numbers is always even number. If you want, you can verify. Can you help me now? If n is 5, 5 into 4, 20. If n is 4, 4 into 3, 12. If n is 2, 2 into 1 is 2. So it's always even number. Even number divided by 2, there is no fraction. Even number divided by 2, there is no fraction. And one more thing is n, right? This one. N and P are unsigned integer variable. Integers, they are integers. They are integers. You are doing operation with the integer. Result also will be integer. Result also will be integer. So I think if you divide by 2, I think no fraction. Right? That value will be divided by multiply by into n minus 2. Afterwards, divided by 3. Lastly, anyhow, you have to divide by 3. But if you see the option C, n into n minus 1, it is an even number. Even number divided by 3, fractions may come. Suppose assume that, just I want to ask you, what is the, just let me give answer. 6C3. 6C3 value is going to be 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3. 6 cancel. So 5 into 4 is 20. 6C3 is 20. 5 into 4, 20. Now if you go to the option C, can you see this one? I think it is going to be at 6. It is going to be 5. 6 into 5 is 30. 30 by 3. I think you are lucky. It is working. Suppose assume that. Not it is an even number will come. So 6 into 5 is 30. 30 by 3. There's no problem. Right? Let me take some other number. Suppose if I take 5, let's see. 5C3. Right? I think 5 into 4 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3. 5C3. 5 into 4 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3. I think 3 cancel, 2 2s. I think 10. 5C3 is 10. Right? Let's check here. So it is 5. It is 4. 5 4 is 20. 20 by 3. 20 by 3. 6 point something. Because 3 6 18. 3 7 is 21. I think 6 point something. So you have to take 6 on. Next one into 3. 6 into 3 18. 6 came from the left side part. 6 came into 3. 6 into 3 18 by 2. So 9. It became 9. So what I mean to say is, if you divide even number by 3, if you divide even number by 3, there is no chance that there is no guarantee that always you will get without fraction. Sometimes you will get with fraction because of it is an integer, unsigned integer variable. Even though it is a fraction, you have to take only integer part. 6 point something came. I have to take 6 only. 6 into 3 becomes which is 18. By 2 it becomes 9. So you may lose something. In the option C, answer no guarantee. In the option B, there is a guarantee. In the option B, there is a guarantee. So it's a really fantastic problem. This problem is really fantastic problem. So listen, whenever you are not getting answer, you have to read the problem again and again. Whenever you are not getting answer, whenever you are confusing, read the problem again and again. You have to read the problem again and again. You are not clear with the problem, please read it. Multiple answers are coming, please read it, because I didn't set to you MSQ also. I simply said MCQ. It is a MCQ. If MSQ also same answer. See the condition. If n is very large, then which one of the following is most likely to set P correctly? Sir, why not? Why not A, sir? Why not D, sir? N is very large. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2. It will become very large. There may be a chance of overflow. That is also correct. But because of n is very large, multiplication of n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 will become very large. There may be a chance of overflow. A cannot be, D cannot be. Answer may be either B or C. But if you go to the B, n into n minus 1, two consecutive numbers, if you multiply, always even number will come. Even number by 2, it will become even number. No fractions. Right? Because it's a unsigned integer variable. So I got the integer only. Into n minus 2. Right? By divided by 3. So there is no problem. Absolutely there is no problem. In the option B, there is no problem. Option C, n into n minus 1. It is an even number. Divided by 3. Even number divided by 3. You may get fraction. Means you are going to lose something. Sometimes maybe you may not lose. But most of the time you will lose in the option C. Most of the time you may lose in the option C. Answer is B. It's a fantastic problem. It's not normal problem. It is a fantastic problem. Let's see how many people, right? How many people, okay, how many people will say yes? Answer is B. Will you agree? Answer is B. Will you agree? To this problem, answer is B. Will you agree? Let me know. To this problem, answer is B. Will you agree? Only B. Answer is only B. Only B is the answer. It's a very nice problem. It's a very nice problem. This problem is very nice. This problem is very nice problem. Please try to understand. This problem is very nice problem. The problem with the option C is in between you may get fractions. In between you may get fractions, you may lose it. In between you may get a problem, you may lose it. Check anyone having small doubt also. Reddy sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. You ask me, I will help you. Reddy sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. Answer is only B. Answer is only B. Only B. The interesting part, the interesting thing in this problem is, n is very large. One more interesting thing is that n is an unsigned integer variable. Right? He written P and n are unsigned integer variable. See, P and n are unsigned integer variable. Sir, why n minus 2 by 3 won't result in fraction? See, at the end of the day, at the end of the day, you have to divide by 3. So factorial of any number, is there any chance of getting fraction? NC3 value at any point of time, any chance of fraction? NC3 value at any point of time, fraction? No. So finally, you don't get fraction. If you want to get check. At NC3, you never get fraction. That is the reason. Simple reason is that only. NC3, you never get fraction. Right? Fine. Where n is greater than or equal to 3. Where n is greater than or equal to 3. NC3 value, you never get fraction. It is a very tricky problem. Very tricky problem. Midway by 3, definitely. Midway by 3, definitely fractions will come. Midway by 3, right? Sometimes, most of the time you may get fractions. When you get in the middle fractions because of integer variable, so you have to lose some data. 6.5, I have to take 6. Then if I continue further, because of I already lost something, I don't get the correct answer. I know very well, very less people will give answer for this. In one of your previous paper, this question is given. Just checking basics. Do you know what is the meaning of? Right? N is very large. Do you know what is the meaning of integer variable? Just checking small things. Checking small thing. Can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? It's a wonderful problem. It's a wonderful problem. If you don't give answer also, no problem. You given wrong answer also, no problem. But to identify where you done mistake. You given wrong answer also, no problem. You didn't get any idea also, no problem. Right? If you understand now, it's okay. Next time onwards, please careful. Next time onwards, please careful. Can I move to next? Bro, can I move to next? Can I move to next? अरे बोलो यार. Can I move to next? Everyone. Hello. Hello. So, see, you only say n itself is big when you do n into n minus 1. Two big numbers you are multiplying. Definitely overflow, na? So that is the reason in the problem we mentioned n is very large. N is very large. If n is already very large, if you multiply, right, almost with the same number, you may get overflow. If not first time I multiplied n into n minus 1, no overflow. Maybe at least right, second time overflow. N into n minus 1 may not be overflow. Into n minus 2, definitely overflow may come. So in the first one, you are waiting long time. See, you are multiplying big numbers. You are multiplying big numbers again and again. You are multiplying big numbers again and again. Again and again, you are multiplying big numbers. So overflow may come here. Here there may be a chance of overflow. Here there may be a chance of overflow. But in the B case and in the C case, you are decreasing in between. You are decreasing in between. So I think I thought that B and C will be the answer. But the problem with the C is it's an even number. Two consecutive numbers, if you multiply, definitely even number will come. If anyone find out any example, let me know. Even number divided by 3 is some fraction. Fraction means you will lose something because they are integers. P is an integer. P will take only integer part. If at all 6.3 will take 6 only, means you are losing something. So C cannot be the answer, B will be the answer. Okay, perfect. I'm thinking you are absolutely okay. Can you go to next problem? Can you go to next problem? Can you see this? Can you see this problem? Everyone try to understand this. Everyone try to understand this. Next example. Next example. Main int n is equal to main int n is equal to 5. Printf percentage d yeah, int n is equal to 5. So next one, a function is called. A of n is called. Let's go to a function. If n is less than or equal to 1, return, else printf n minus 1 a of n minus 2 printf n minus 1 a of n minus 1 end of the else, end of the a function. Yeah, can you try what the output of this program? Right, if you see the a function, printf n minus 1, a of n minus 2, printf n minus 1, a of n minus 1. Can you try what is the output of this program? From main program, this function is called. Most probably you can expect this question in the exam. Most probably you can expect this question in the exam. Mostly you can expect this question in the exam. Everyone try this. Mostly you can expect this question in the exam. I'm expecting answer. Let's see how many people will give. I will give the answer. Can you write your opinion? It's going to be very tough problem. Those people who are doing first time, it is going to be very tough problem. So can I give answer? I hope you tried. I hope you tried. Yeah, both are inside else only. Everyone try. If you don't want to try, please leave class. You don't want to try, please leave class. You don't want to try, please leave class. You want to try, stay here. You want to learn, stay here. You want to try, stay here. You want to learn, stay here. Yeah, let me give answer. Let me give answer. Everyone tried. Everyone is tried. Let me give answer. I'm expecting answer from everyone. Right? Let me give the answer. I'm giving. Everyone see. Everyone see. I'm giving answer. Everyone see. I'm giving answer. And one more important thing is I want to say to all the people. One more important thing is I want to say to all the people. 70% offer going on, please utilize. Use the code EPT 595 ARG. Use this code, you will get the 70% discount. It is the last batch. It is the last batch for 2026 GATE exam. 2026 GATE exam, it is the last batch. It is the last batch for 2026 GATE exam. So if you are serious, you please join. Serious. If anyone say I am serious, I don't join, right? So remember it's very difficult, right? 2 lakh people are writing GATE exam. 2 lakh people are writing GATE exam without proper guidance. 2 lakh people, not 1 person, 2 person, 2 lakh people are writing. Total engineering students are writing CSE GATE exam. Total CSE people, total CSE means I can say total engineers, because in every college only CSE branch is there. In every college, mostly CSE branch is there. So total engineers are writing, right? CSE GATE examination, huge competition. Without proper guidance, really it is impossible. It is impossible without real guidance. If you don't have proper guidance, you cannot do it. If you serious, you can join in this, right? If you serious, you can join in this. You can join the full course, right? You can join the regular course, regular full course. You can join the RIC course, right? So I will show also those. Let's see one time, right? These are all our toppers. These all people are our toppers. And one more, these are the, right, combo offers also going on at a time, right? If you buy the combo course, you will get, all the things, RIC also, right, test series also, actual course also, all the things you will get. And you can go for regular course is 1 year course, foundation course is 2 year course. You can go to crash course also, you can go to rank improvement course also. Whatever you want, you can select. There is a 70% offer going on. It's the biggest offer. No institute will give this kind of offer. No institute will give. My only intention is many students should get help. That is only my intention. My intention never on money. My intention is never on the finance. I want to help as many students as possible. We are checking, can we give better than 70%? We are also checking, me and my sales team, all the people are every time checking, can we go more than 70? Is it possible? If it is possible, we will go. Maybe next year you will see also 90% also you will see next year. My only intention is I want to help students as much as possible. No institute will give 70%. No institute will give. We may give more than this also, maybe in future, we don't know. So my intention is helping students as much as possible. As of now, we are giving best percentage, best discount we are giving in the industry, total edtech industry. No one will give 70%, we are giving. We are giving 70% off. You can join whichever course you want. It is the best course in the total India itself, best course. All the best teachers are teaching. We are keep on updating. Right, last year lecture, this year lectures are different. We are keep on updating. We are keep on taking the students' feedback. Wherever not good, we are keep on improving. Wherever not good, we are keep on improving. My only goal is helping students as much as possible. You can go for 1 year course, you can go for 2 year course, you can go for the test series, you can go for RIC. Last year EPT test series, approximately 59 questions came. From EPT test series, approximately 59 questions. Some questions are directly from class notes, directly from the class lectures, directly from test series. 59 questions. That's the reason our student got AIR 4th rank. Our student got AIR 4th rank. So this is the best rank in India itself, entire India. Best rank for the CSE is EPT got. Best rank for CSE EPT got. 2 lakh people are writing. 2 lakh people, huge competition. Without proper guidance, it is impossible. It is the last batch of GATE 2026. You can use this code, you can get the 70% discount. Okay, let's come here. I'm explaining this problem. What is the answer for this? Let's see. First question here. Everyone give answer. First question to me. Please give answer to me. Is it recursive program? My first question to all of you is it recursive program? Everyone give answer to me. Is it recursive program? Please help me. Is it recursive program? Everyone try. Is it recursive program? Try everyone. Is it recursive program? Bolo yaar. Is it recursive program? Yes, no. Give answer. If you don't give answer, I don't move further. You don't give answer, I don't move further. Is it recursive program? Yes. If it is a recursive program, okay, because A calling A calling A recursion. Can you help me? How many times recursion? A calling A how many times? 2 times? It is a recursive, okay. A calling A inside 2 times or not? See, it is the first statement, it is the second statement, it is the third statement, it is the fourth statement. A calling A 2 times. A calling A 2 times. See, I think second time and fourth time. A calling A, it is a recursion, okay. A calling A 2 times. Remember, it is a recursive program, more than one time calling. More than one time calling. Please go in the form of a tree. Please go in the form of a tree. See this one, N is coming means 5 is coming. First A of 5. If more than one recursive call, go in the form of a tree. A of 5. So this one A of 5. Whenever A of 5 is called, internally 4 people will execute. Whenever A of 5 is called, internally 4 people. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 statements. Whenever A function is called, 4 people will execute. Because anyhow termination condition fail. N value 5. 5 less than or equal to 1, condition is fail. If condition fail, go to the else part. If condition fail, please go to the else part. Okay, I went to the else. Come to the else part, 4 people. Let me execute one by one. In the 4 people, what is the first person? Printf n minus 1. Remember, it is n. Printf n minus 1. So n is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 will be printed. 4 will be printed. Remember, out of these 4 people, left one should be done first. Left one means first one. Left one means first one. Right one means last one. Please be careful. Whenever a function is running, 4 statements are running. First, right? Left statement will execute, which means first statement will execute. Okay, printf n minus 1 over. Now come to second line. A of n minus 2. Remember, here n is 5. 5 minus 2 means, I think 3. A of 3 called. It is a recursion. Again, 4 statements will execute. Now, what is the third statement? Okay, after second over, I will go to third one. Okay, so let us in that second over. I will go to third one. What is the third one? Printf n minus 1. N is, I think, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Again 4. So what is the fourth one? A of n minus 1. N is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So remember, 4 statements are over. Then only function call over. See this one. To say this is over, all these 4 should complete. To complete the parent, all children should complete. To complete the children's one by one, I am trying. I think left one completed. Now second one to complete first, right? First of all, he is having 4 children. They should be over. Now remember, in this function, n is 3. So what is the first one? Printf n minus 1. So 2 will be printed. Next one, a of n minus 2. I think a of 1 called. What is the third one? Printf n minus 1. 2 printed. Next one, a of n minus 1. So 2 called. Remember these 4 over. Then only this will be over. Right? To complete these 4, first left should be over. I think left over. No function call. So this one, it is a termination. Termination means a return, nothing there. So I think this also over. So this is the printf. This is also over. A of 2. It is not over. Call again 4. Right? Now see this one. A of 2. Again same. Condition is fail. Go else part. So first one, n minus 1. So 1 printed. Next one, printf n minus 2. A of 0. Next one, n minus 1. 1 printed. printf a of n minus 1, sorry, a of n minus 1, so 1. So these 4 over, then only is completed. So I think first one over, no function call. It is a termination, it is over. It's not a function call, it is over. It is also termination over. So all these 4 are over. All these 4 over, then is over. All these 4 over, then is over. All these 4 over, then it is over. But remember, this is not over. This is not over. A of 4 is not over. So A of 4 is not over. Again, you have to come. So first of all, printf n value now 4 is you. N value now 4. N value now 4. So can you help me now? N minus 1, 3 will be here. So n minus 2, a of 2 here. Next one, n minus 1, 3 here. A of 2 here. But do you believe or not? Do you believe or not? A of 2 already available. If already available, don't do again. If A of 2 already available, don't do again, because same story will repeat. Now see the output. After 3 construction is over, if repetition, don't repeat. See, A of 2 left hand side, left hand side already there. You no need to do the same thing right side. Instead of doing, you can use that answer. So now observe. See this one. To complete the parent, children are required. First left child required. See this one. Left child required. I think is available. So print it. So left over, then only go to next one. But to complete this one, there are 4 children required. First left one. So 2 printed. Now next one. Left one over. Go to the next one. Termination. This is also over. Next one. Third one. 2 printed. So third one is over, then go to fourth one. To complete the fourth one, these are all 4 required. So first 1 printed. Next termination, leave it. Next one printed. Next one termination is over. So now observe clearly. A of 2. Whenever A of 2 enter, if you observe clearly, 2 ones are printed. This is printed. This is printed. The output of A2 is 1 1. Remember. So already printed. The output of A2 is 1 1. Remember, here also 1 1. If you want, you can do again. It is a wastage of time. Here also 1 1. It is a wastage of time. Afterwards, I will write the right hand side people. I taken all the application. Remember, this is completed. This is completed. This is completed. Now all 4 over means this is also completed. I got 1 1. These 4 over means this is completed. Now go to here 4. Now to complete this one, all 4 required. First left one required 3. Now I think A2 already 1 1. Next one 3. Next one A2. So 1 1. So this is over. These 4 over means this is over. These 4 over means this is over. Answer is 4 double 2 double 1 4 3 double 1 3 double 1. Check properly. This is the output. This is the output. This is the output. I am writing also 4 double 2 double 1 4 3 double 1 3 double 1. Very less people can give answer. Very less people can give answer. Very less people can give answer. I think this is, see here 4 minus 1 is 3. It is also 3. It is also 3. It is not 2. Answer is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 people. 3 3 3 3 4 threes. Yeah, same. Very less people can give answer. Very less people can give answer. See, most of the people are given wrong answer. Most of the people given wrong answer. Remember, if it is a recursive program, more than one recursive call in the form of a tree you have to do. While doing tree, left one you do first. If function call, expand. If it is not a function call, you no need to go further. Without completing first one, don't go to second one. Without completing first one, don't go to second one. If the first one is not a function call, keep as it is. Just print out. If the function call, expand further. This is the most expected question in the exam. It is the most expected question in the exam. Recursive program, more than one recursive call. Recursive program, okay, more than one recursive call. Tree format you have to write. Tree format you have to write. This is the most expected question in the exam. Many times I seen in the previous paper. Many times I'm again and again I'm saying, from my class notes only questions will come. Maybe number will change. Maximum number will change. From my class notes only problems will come. Maximum number will change. More than that, nothing will happen. I'm again and again saying notes only will come. Just read once and do the PYQs. If you don't get from my notes, just read the class notes properly. Whatever I am saying, class notes read properly. Do PYQs, right? So mostly it will come. If it is missed out, maybe RIC course will come, maybe test series will come. But one thing, whatever we will do, mostly from there it will come. In the EPT, no class will be there which is waste. No test will be there which is waste. I don't want to waste students' time. Necessary things only we will keep. Not right. Unnecessarily we don't keep this much. Yeah, let's go further. To get the clarity. I am giving one more problem. Are you comfortable or not? Check. To get the clarity, I am giving one more problem. Are you comfortable or not? Verify. Yeah, I need space. I am removing this. Yeah, this problem also. Can you try this also? Interesting problem. One more problem I am giving. Let's check. Example. Main. Int. N is equal to 10. Be careful. A of n. Now go to the A function. A of int n. If n less than or equal to 3, n less than or equal to 3. Printf 2. Return. Yeah, this problem answer, if you can give, you can do anything in your life. Try to give this problem answer. You can do anything in your life. This is the worst thing which can happen in your life. It is the worst thing which can happen in your life. If any one of your friend is saying, I am so great, you are nonsense, I am so great. If any one of your friend is saying, I am so great in CSE, you are not great, I am so great, then simply say to him, right? Simply say to him, solve this problem. If any one of your friend is saying, I am so great, you are nonsense on this earth, I am so great, I am so talented, then give this problem and ask them, please give answer and explain to me. If you can give answer and if you can explain this, right, then only you are great. Otherwise, don't say to me. Trust me, that day onwards, he don't talk to you anything. That day onwards, he never praise himself. I am great and all. Please, if anyone say from today onwards, I am so great, give this problem and ask them, can you give answer for this? No one will, right? No one will say, I am great and all after that day onwards. Can you go ahead? More than one call, more than one recursive call, go tree format. This problem is very difficult without tree. This problem is very difficult without tree. Everyone have to try. Everyone have to try. This problem is very difficult if you don't try. Most probably you will see one question like this in the exam. Most probably you see one question in the exam. Try once. Someone is saying, oh, last function call is a of 3. Oh, yeah, I think, yeah. Sorry for that. You people could have said to me, yeah, I will change anyhow. I'm really sorry for this. Last one is a of 2, right? Last one is a of 3. Sorry for this. Yeah, I didn't see that much. Anyhow, that is not a big deal. So I will do this one. A of 3. A of 3. A of 3, I think we are already have it. A of 3, we are already have it. This is the A of 3. Thanks for informing. Thanks for informing. This is A of 3. This is A of 3. This is A of 3. I think this 4, in between whatever is there, that is A of 3. 2, 2, 1, 1. 2, 2, 1, 1. Is it okay? 2, 2, 1, 1. Is it okay? Yes. 2, 2, 1, 1. Is it okay? Bro? 2, 2, 1, 1. Just I think little bit will change. But anyhow, everyone can change the answer. Last part is 2, 2, 1, 1. Yeah. So I think many people said also. Many people said to me 2, 2, 1, 1. Yes, you are correct. You people are correct. Answer is 2, 2, 1, 1. Lastly, I written little wrong. So I rectified also. Thanks for informing. Can you come here? Thanks for informing. Can you come here? Yeah. Can you complete this? This problem, if you can handle, you can handle anything. This is the worst thing. This is the worst thing what can happen in your life. Some people feel that worst thing which can happen in life is breakup. No, bhaiya, this problem. Worst thing what can happen in life is, right, breakup and all. No, bhaiya, breakup is nothing in front of this problem. In front of this problem, breakup, nothing. Give answer. If you have dare, can you touch this problem? Shikhar, if you have dare, can you touch this problem? Some INE sayings are in main. Forget about the written data types and all, yaar. Forget, yaar. Forget, man. Forget written and all. Forget written data type and all. Fine. Just concentrate only on printf. Just concentrate only on printf. Concentrate only on printf. Concentrate only on printf. Concentrate only on printf. Yeah, I'm giving the answer. Can you see this one? Let me change the color. Let me change the color. So int n is equal to 10. N value 10. Address is 1000. Okay. A of n. A of 10 will go. A of 10 will go. Okay. So this is 10. Now observe. Observe. Don't think much. A of 10. Remember here n is 10. So if condition n is 10, 10 less than or equal to 3, condition fail. Come to the else. In the else there are I think 5 statements. 5 people. So see the first one, n value 10. N value 10. 10 minus 3. So 7. There is no function call. Simply printf. Okay, that's okay. Next one. Can you come to second one? N value 10. 10 minus 4. A of 6. Afterwards I will do. Let's go to third one. N. So 10 will be printed. Remember, to me n is my parent only. Listen everyone, some people are thinking that to me n is neighbor. No, I am the parent of, listen, I am the parent of this person. I am the parent of, see this one, to this person, parent is this person. N means parent is 10, right? Print n, 10 only will print. My parent is not neighbor. Whatever my parent will say, I will do. My parent saying n is 10, print 10. Go to the fourth one. A of n minus 1. My parent saying n is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Right? Next one. Fifth one, if you observe, n minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4. Right? Let's go to again a of 6. Be careful. Again 5 people. First person. I think n value 6. I think if condition fail. If condition fail. What is the meaning of recursion? Doing same thing again. If condition fail. Come to the else one. Else contain 5 people. First one. Remember, whatever my parents say, I have to listen. Right? First statement, my parent is saying n value 6. 6 minus 3, 3. So print 3. Second one, a of n minus 4. N is 6. 6 minus 4, 2. A of 2. 3. Printf n 6. N value 6. 6 minus 3. So 3. A of 3. So n minus 6, so n value 6, 6 minus 6, a of 0. Right? I think until now everything is fine. Now listen everyone. So come here. So termination condition, very interesting. Can you see this one? Termination condition. So termination condition satisfied. What is the answer? Printf 2, everyone observe. Because of this one, I have to print 2, okay? N value 2. 2 less than or equal to 3, condition true. Then inside print 2, return 1. I don't bother. Return means going out of this function. When you say return, you mean this function is over. When you say return, this function is over. Returning time, what you return, I don't care, because my goal is only printing. Wherever printf there, please print it. My goal is only printing. So this is only for confusion. You are returning, okay, but not printing. Only to confuse you, I given this. Here, what is printing is asking. Is not asking what is returning. Is asking what is printing. Only to confuse you, I return the return one. Some people are asking, sir, return means where I will go, sir? Sir, return means where I will go. This function is over. This function over. That is the meaning of this line. I have to inform to parent this function is over. Other than this, nothing there. Right? So wherever you are, that function is over. That is the meaning of return. But you are returning value. Okay, but you are not printing. To confuse you, I given. If anyone think that, sir, I confused you. I also know, you also know. Confusion purpose only I given. It is not printing. It is a returning. No, sir, I don't want to waste your time. Then you no need to write also. Right? Simply you can say break or return. Okay, you are confusing. Let us assume you are confusing. Simply write return. Simply write return. That is also okay. No problem. No objection. Because my goal is printing only. So return 1, return 2, I don't care because I am not printing. Simply, if you think that some confusion, simply write return, no objection. So I am at here, A of 2, I called A of 2, termination condition satisfied, termination condition if condition. In that print 2, okay, afterwards return, means this is over. Now, I think second statement over, go to third statement, is a printf only. Can you go to A of 3? I think condition satisfied. This is also recursive program, condition satisfied. 3 less than or equal to 3, condition satisfied. Printf 2 printed, afterwards return. This also over. Then go to here. I think condition satisfied. I think n value. Recursion means what? Doing same thing again. 0 less than or equal to 3, condition satisfied. Again print 2, return. So this is also over. This is also over. Now come here now. So I think left side in the tree, left part A of 6 I done, everything perfect. Let's go to right side, A of 7. Afterwards I will print all of them. Let's come to A of 7. A of 7, termination condition is failed. I will go to else part. Else part, there are 5 people. In the else part, 5 people. Can you see? Remember, my n value is my parent n value. This only. My n value is my parent n value. So can you help me? N value 3, n value 7. 7 minus 3, 4. Print 4. Okay. Second one, A of n minus 4. My n value is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. A of 3. Let's go to third one. Print n. So 7. Next one, A of n minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. A of 4. Check properly. A of 4. Yeah, perfect. Lastly, n minus 6. Print n minus 6. I think 1. And one more thing. What about this story? A of 3. Maybe we done already. 2. What is A of 4? I think A of 4 is not available. So do once again. A of 4 is not available. Do once again. If available, I don't do. Not available, I am doing. So remember, my n value is my parent n value. So first one, n minus 3. N value 4, 4 minus 3, 1. 1 print. N minus 4, A of 0. Next one, print n 4. N minus 3, A of 1. N minus 6. N minus 6, n value 4. 4 minus 6, how much? 4 minus 6, how much? Minus 2. Printf minus 2. I think now all are done. Let's see until now any objection. Until now, let's see how any objection. Maybe I done something wrong. In flow maybe I done something wrong. Let's check. Am I done anything wrong? In flow maybe I done something wrong. Am I done anything wrong till now? I am not asking you what you are returning. I am asking you what will you print. Always print from left hand side. Left means first one. Left means first one. Bro, left means first one. Is it okay? Left means first one. Hello? Bro. Left means first one. Without completing left one, don't go to right. Someone is saying, sir, last A of 6 will give 0 print, na? How, yeah? Sir, last A of 6 will give 0 print, na? How, yeah? So, can you help me now? A of 0 means termination condition satisfied or not? A of 0 means termination condition satisfied or not? A of 0, termination condition satisfied or not? See, when you say A of 0, recursion, it is a recursion. You have to start from starting. You have to start from starting. A of 0, n value 0. 0 less than or equal to 3, condition satisfied or not? Print to 2. It will print to 2. It will print to 2, bhaiya. Now start printing one by one. Now start printing one by one. Remember, without children, parent cannot over. Without children, parent cannot over. See this one? To complete parent, children are required. In the children, go to the first one. First one is not a function call. Print it. So first one over, go to second one. But to complete the parent, children is required. First go to left child. Is not a function, print it. Go to second one. To complete this one, children is required. I think 2. This is completed. Right? Next one 6. This is completed. Next one 2. This is completed. Next one 2. This is completed. That means these all 4 over. Means this is over. Then 10 will be printed. Next one A of 7. To complete A of 7, all the children's required. First 4 required. Afterwards A of 3. 2 required. Afterwards 7 required. Afterwards A of 4. So these are required. So I think 1. This is required 2. This is 4. This is required 2. Afterwards minus 2. So I think all are over. 1, 2, 4, 2, minus 2. So then all are completed. All are completed. All are completed. I think 5 values. 1, 2, 4, 2 minus 2. So this is completed. Then 1. Then this is completed. Then 4. So this is the answer. Yeah, fifth person is printf, na? Yes, exactly. Exactly, you are correct. This is not A of 0. This is printf 0. Am I right? Printf 0. So which one it is? Let me write where it is. Where it is, bro? 7, 3, 2, 6, 2, 3, 2, 6, 2, 0. Yes. 3, 2, 6, 2, 0. Yes. 7, 3, 2, 6, 2, 0. You are correct. IN, you are correct. Afterwards 10. Afterwards 10. Afterwards 4, 2, 7. Afterwards 1, 2, 4, 2 minus 2. 1, 2, 4, 2 minus 2. 1, 4. Yes, you are absolutely correct. This is the answer for this. When you are doing big problem, there may be a chance of small mistakes. See, in the place of A, I written printf. In the place of printf, I may be written A. So be careful. Be careful. Make sure these kind of mistakes will not happen in the exam. It is not A, it is a printf. If it is A, answer is 2. Because the printf answer is 0. It is 0. Fine now? Yeah, IN, whatever you said, you are correct. IN, whatever you said, it is correct. Can I move to next? Answer 732620. Next one is going to be 10. 10. Afterwards 427. Afterwards 124. 2 minus 2. 124. 2 minus 2. 14. Yeah, everything perfect. Everything perfect. Can I move to next problem? Can I move to next problem? Can I move to next problem? Yes. Shikhar, can I move? Small mistake also somewhere wrong will happen. Small mistake also somewhere wrong will happen. Can we move next? Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Take the next problem also. Take the next problem. Do this problem also. Main int n is equal to 5 a of n. A of int n. If n less than or equal to 1, return. Remember, I am not printing anything. Simply return. Else a of n minus 2, printf n minus 2, a of n minus 1, printf n minus 1. Sorry for this. Sorry for this. It is not A, it is B. It is B. A function calling B. Go to the B. B in 10. If n less than or equal to 1, return. Else A else printf n minus 3 a n minus 2 printf n minus 1 a n minus 1 printf n minus 3. Okay, n minus 2. This is going to be very dangerous problem. You thought previous one is danger, it is a more danger. You thought previous one is a danger problem, it is a more danger. You thought previous one is danger, it is a more danger. Can you go ahead? Previous one is danger, then it is more danger. Yeah, complete this problem. Same, very simple, yeah. It's a very simple. Previously, A calling A. Now A call B, B call A. First level A there in the tree. Second level B there. Second level B there in the tree. Third level A there. Very simple. No need to scare also. A means execute A code. B means execute B code. What is there in that? A means execute A code. B means execute B code. This is going to be very easy. A means execute A code, B means execute B code. It's very easy. Try everyone. So I think from the main program, A is called. A value 5 is coming. It's very simple. It is very simple. A of 5 called. Remember, N is 5. See, small mistake if I do also, there may be small changes. Be careful. I will ask in between also. Any mistake if I do, please let me know. So in the A function, there are 4 statements. Remember. In the A code, there are 4 statements. In the B code, there are 5 statements. In the A code, there are 4 statements. In the B code, there are 5 statements. Be careful. A means execute A code. B means execute B code. Remember, my N value is always my parent N value. My N value is always my parent N value. Be careful. Start now. A of 5. Inside A, termination condition fail. Go to else part. 4 lines. Right? See the first line. See the first line. B of N value is how much? My N value is my parent N value. N value 5. B of 5 minus 2. So B of 3. In the A, 4 lines are there. I executed first line. Afterwards, I will execute first line. Let's go to second line. Printf. Right? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Third line. B of N minus 1, 4. Fourth line. Printf N minus 1, 4. So I think if the first line is A, second line B's are there. Please check. Right? In the first level, A's are there. In the second level, B's are there. Now let's go to B. B means execute B code. A means execute A code. A code means 4 statements. B means execute B code. B code means 5 statements. Let's go to B code. In the B, I think the termination condition is fail. 5 statements are there. In the B, can you see the first statement? Printf N minus 3. Right? My N value is my parent N value. N minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. Next one, A of N minus 2. A of N is 3. 3 minus 2 means 1. Next one, printf N minus 1, 2. Next one, A of N minus 1. So A of 2. Lastly, printf N minus 2. So 1. Right? Similar way, B of 4 also. B means execute B code. There are 5 statements. Can you see B first statement? N minus 3. So 1. Second one, N minus 2. A of 2. Third one, printf N minus 1, 3. Fourth one, A of N minus 1, 3. Fifth one, printf N minus 2. N is 4. 4 minus 2. 2. So if you observe clearly, first level A, second level B. Second level B, third level A. Check. Same. You no need to bother. Arey, no need to be emotional, yaar. No need to be emotional. A means execute A code. B means execute B code. What is there in that? Previously, everywhere A code only. Now, a little bit emotional. Little bit emotional. A, right? A code contain. A means A code. 4 lines code. B means B code. 5 lines code. Right? Now see the answer. Now see the answer. Terminations are there. Don't expand. A of 1 termination. Yes. A of 2 termination. A of 2 termination. No. So remember, A means A code. A code is 4 lines. A of 2 not termination. Right? So execute the A code. What is the A code? B of N minus 2. B of 0. Printf N minus 2. 0. Third one, B of N minus 1. 1. So fourth line, printf N minus 1. So 1. So I think B of 0 is termination. Termination means return, nothing there. B of 1 also termination, nothing there. Here also nothing there. But remember everyone, this A of 2, if you observe, what is there? I think 0, 1 will be printed. Remaining all will be written, nothing there. So A of 2 means 0, 1, 0, 1. This is 0, 1. So same thing is coming, why you write again. Same thing is coming, why you write again. Right? If different coming, I will do. Same thing coming, why should I do? So I think someone is saying that what about A of 2? A of 2 not available, I have to do again. I think A code means 4 statements. Let me execute one more time. In the A, first one, B of n minus 2. N is 3. 3 minus 2 means 1. B of 1. Print n minus 2, so 1. B of n minus 1, so B of 2. Last one, print n minus 1, so 2 will be printed. Now, some people are asking, sir, what about B of 2, sir? Do you have any B of 2 till now? If not there, I have to expand. See, sometimes most of the things are not available. I have to keep on expand. It's not available. Let's go. 5 people. So go to the B code. B code, print n minus 3. N value 2. 2 minus 3. Right? Minus 1. So second one, n minus 2, 0. Means A of 0. Second line is function call. Third one, n minus 1, 1. Fourth one, n minus 1, A of 1. Fifth one, n minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0. I may be wrong also. Those people who are watching, if I done anywhere wrong, let me know. Till now, am I done anything wrong? So that less damage. Till now, am I done anything wrong? Check. Till now, anything is wrong. Right, till now anything is wrong. Please let me know. Very simple. A means A code. B means B code. Everyone observe. A means A code. B means B code. Nothing. Now, if at all no wrong, you can easily give the answer. So while printing, remember left to right print. Left to right. See this one. I think to complete the parent children's required. First left. To complete this parent children's required. First left. So 0 first. A of 1, termination, no use. 2 printed. To complete this one, children's needed. To complete this one, children's needed. Go to the left. B of 0, termination. So 0 printed. B of 1, termination. 1 printed. So this means this is completed. Then lastly 1 printed. So when you say this 4 over, this is over. Then 3. Now B of 4, to complete all the children's required. Right? First go to left. So 1. Next A of 2 already we done. A of 2 already we done. I think what is the answer? 0, 1. 0, 1. So this is completed. Next 3. Next one, A of 3 to complete, these are required. First B of 1, termination. So 1. Next B of 2. These all required. So what is the answer? -1. Termination 1. A of 1 is nothing. So 0. So this is over. Lastly 2. These 4 over mean this is over. 2. These 4 over mean this is over. So 4. This 4 over mean this is over. So that is the answer. Check. I may be done something wrong. Please verify. 0 to 0, 113. 0 to 0, 113. Right? 10, 113, 10. I think perfect. It is a maximum thing which can happen. It is a maximum thing which can happen. If you are okay with this problem, you are almost okay. Yeah. Ian, you are doing good work. Ian, you are doing very good work. So Tarsh is saying that 2 to 4. Lastly 0 to 0, 113, 113, 101, 101. Next one 31. Next one is going to be -1, -1, 1, 0, 2 to 4. Yeah, I think Tarsh, you are also correct. Tarsh, you are also correct. Ayan, you are also correct. Shikhar, are you there? Shikhar, are you there? Shikhar, are you there? Shikhar, are you there? Hello? Shikhar, are you there? Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Can we stop now? Today we done many problems, many good problems we done. Today we done many good problems. Many good problems we done today. So if anyone is not joined, so as I mentioned to you, last batch going on. Last batch going on. Those people who are serious, they can join. Last batch for 2026 going on. If you are people serious, you can join, so you can use this code also. Thank you. You will get 70% discount. See you in the next class. Good night. See you in the next class. Good night.